We are so fortunate that we are under the shade of a supreme, perfect spiritual master. But the unfortunate part is from where comes the clouds of frustration and depression if we are blooming under such a true master? Now, here the great Sant Kabir ji answers our question that जल में रहकर भी मीन प्यासी वेख वेख मोय आवे हासी. No doubt that Sadhguru is an ocean of love, sympathy, and kindness. But still, we are not able to quench our thirst because we are behaving like Kabirji's fish. Yes, we deserve to be in a state of Paramananda, Sachidananda 24 by 7. But the demon, which acts as an obstacle between you and Sadhguru, is Maya. So let's talk about Maya today. The question which pokes our mind again and again is that we all are so much busy. Yeah, true. But the point is, we are busy in doing what? You see, even the rag pickers are busy in picking their garbage. So we must peep inside our lives once that are we doing the same job as rag pickers? Because if we pause for a while and check what we have earned yet, that doesn't worth more than a stone or garbage. Really shocking that there are no diamonds in our pocket. In fact, some of us are 25 or 40 or 60, and still we are crying for the diamonds of happiness, of diamonds of peace. Have you ever thought that we have been working like a donkey since our first breath to the last breath? But still, we are always left empty handed with the gloomy faces, surrounded by tension and depression. Now, here we need a guide, a master, or a Sadguru who teaches how to differentiate between a stone and a diamond. The true mentor or Sadguru fills our basket with pure sparkling diamonds of Paramananda and Sachidananda by escorting us from so called devil Maya. Sadhguru is such an awesome magician that only and only he knows how to tackle with the tricky Maya. The Sadhguru recalls us that the world is full of Maya. Maya means mithya, money illusion. It is said that माया वो है जिसके होने से कोई सुख नहीं पर जिसके ना होने से दुख हो. You must have noticed a rope during a dark night. It appears like a snake, right? But actually, it was not a snake. And how did you come to know the truth? Obviously, by turning on the lights, na? Just like that, a perfect master or Puran Sadguru imparts you the light to know the truth of life. It is said that there are two types of soul in this world, sleeping souls and awakened souls, or what we call manmukhs or gurmukhs. Now, the Manmukh says that life is an ice cream. Enjoy it before it melts. On the other hand, the Gurmukh says that life is a candle. Enlighten yourself before it melts. Such a great wisdom and enlightenment can be attained only and only with the blessings of a Puran Sadguru. But the job of Maya is to divert us from our true duty towards Sadguru or Paramananda and throws us into the ditch of frustration, depression, and irritation. For example, if you want to trap a rat, you have to place some nicely decorated sweets, right? The silly rat will be attracted, and this little silly desire of him will make him a slave forever. Just like that, we have been also trapped in the web of Maya from past so many centuries. Have you ever noticed? Then 1st of April, if somebody makes a fool of us, we get so much angry. But did you see this Maya is fooling us each and every second? You see how techy the Maya is. It diverts our mind from our true goal by indulging us in parties, movies, girlfriends, boyfriends, WhatsApp, YouTube, and on and on. No doubt that these things gives us pleasure. But the point is, this is just a temporary pleasure. Pleasure is temporary and frustration is forever. But the Sadguru reveals that yes, you are part and parcel of Sachidanand Sarup Atma. You deserve diamonds of love, diamonds of happiness and peace. You see, depression is common because there is no impression of Sadguru in our lives. If you want to ride the car of your life smoothly on a golden road, then you must follow the instructions given by the true master. Otherwise, there will be accidents with Maya, and you will be the victim of lust, greed, anger, attachment, and so on. We are really lucky that we are blooming under the guidance of such a perfect master. But the sad part is, we are not dedicated ourselves 100% by heart and soul. So we better know that water changes its state from liquid to gaseous only when it boils in 100 degrees Celsius, right? So the revolution occurs only when we are 100% in our duty towards the Almighty Lord Sadguru. Now it's high time that we should know who really we are. What's our true motive? It's the time to quench our thirst and take a bath in the shower of Paramananda Sachidananda, which is only possible if we are 100% dedicated to the lotus feet of Sadguru Bhagwan. Because the Supreme Lord wants to lead you on the pathway of infinite treasure, permanent pleasure, and unlimited ananda. But the condition is you just surrender yourself by mind, body, and soul. Otherwise, as our Pujya Mahatma Ji usually say in his words, सिर्फ बातों से बात नहीं बनती, कुछ अमल कमाना पड़ता है, सिर्फ सर को झुकाना काफ़ी नहीं, मन को भी झुकाना पड़ता है.